How to post on Vero. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to create a post on Vero, what you can do is first of all go to the application. After that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the page. Now, choose from where you want to add the post, either from your gallery, your camera, your link, etc. After you select any one of them, you can allow Vero to access photos and videos on your device. After you do that, select the photo or video that you want to upload, then tap on next. After that, you can add a description to the post you are uploading, then add a place. After you do that, you can simply tap on next, and then you can select your privacy for the video from over here. After you do all that, simply tap on post. Then you will successfully be able to post on Vero. Thanks for watching the video till the end and see you in the next one.